Are you looking for the best open source router project for your Raspberry Pi in 2026? In this video, we're going to compare two projects, OpenWrt and RaspAP, both of which have their advantages. First, let's talk about OpenWrt. OpenWrt is a very customizable Linux-based operating system for routers which offers a huge number of packages and allows you to make various settings related to routing and network security. OpenWrt is completely open source software which suits well for use in devices with limited resources such as ARM processors. Also, OpenWrt supports such functions as firewall, NAT, and VPN. Its advantages include hardware flexibility. It works great on thousands of routers and SBCs, especially on devices with low power where many other systems don't work well. When it comes to customizability, possibility to create a unique configuration using a modular package system suits well for DIYers. For network security, all the necessary network security features, large online community with many open source plugins. OpenWrt is excellent software for building low-cost customized network appliances and bringing older routers back to life. Then we have the RaspAP, or Raspberry Pi Access Point. The RaspAP project focuses on converting Raspberry Pi devices into access points with an easy-to-use web interface and fast hotspot creation. After its debut in 2015, the project gained more than 4,000 GitHub stars and is being developed by an enthusiastic community. Written in Bash, PHP, and JavaScript, the responsive web UI is compatible with both desktop and mobile operating systems and has been translated into over 20 languages. For its main features, we have Wi-Fi management. This makes your device full-fledged Wi-Fi hotspot or repeater with DHCP, DNS mask, firewall, and VPN, as well as ad filtering. It has easy installation. You can install quickly in a few clicks and get your router up and running. It works with built-in Wi-Fi or USB Wi-Fi adapter. And for container technology, it deploys using Docker. RaspAP works perfectly well on fresh installations of Raspberry Pi OS and is extensively tested on Debian-based operating system. So, which one is better? OpenWrt is perfect for tech-savvy people who need full control, various hardware choices, and customization options. Yet, it may be challenging to configure, but it is highly efficient on lower-end Raspberry Pi versions. RaspAP is user-friendly, quick to set up, and has a mobile-friendly UI. It is ideal for fast Raspberry Pi hotspot or home network projects, but doesn't have a huge OpenWrt community with numerous hardware options and deep customization opportunities. When it comes to performance, OpenWrt usually performs better on low-end devices due to its small size, while RaspAP's simplicity will suit home networks or IoT projects better. Choose OpenWrt if you're a techie looking for maximum control and hardware options. Select RaspAP if you want a quick setup on a Raspberry Pi. Try both and decide for yourself. Share your favorite in the comments and subscribe to get more networking tips.